Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the fingerprints into your Samsung A71. To add the fingerprints, go to the settings here and search for option lock screen, which we gonna choose lock screen lock type, and search for fingerprints on the down screen here. Continue. Let's make the pattern code to second option of the security of your phone. Okay, start with the center, press the finger here. This is a good place for the finger, I think, and let's put the finger here few times and be patient. My finger is not working here. I don't know. Anyway, I think that Samsung doesn't have a perfect fingerprint scanner. Okay, 100% done. Now you can choose many of options about the lock screen here. Done. I agree. I will not log into Samsung account, and now we're gonna try the fingerprint sensor. Is it working? Yes, it's working. Let's try with the other finger. Not match. This finger is good. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!